The document that takes 2 days to get signed costs you money. Not because you charged wrong, but because the project can't start until it's signed, and every day of delay is a day of billable work that isn't happening yet. OneSuite's document module is built to close that gap. Affiliate link is in the description. You will get a 20% coupon code in the description as well. And if you use the coupon code, you will get a 20% off on the existing price for all the BestInWP viewers. This is the document editor. Documents in OneSuite covers 3 types of client-facing content: proposals, scoped offers showing what you will deliver and at what price before a contract is signed, and then there's contracts, which is legally binding agreements defining the terms of the engagement, and then NDAs, non-disclosure agreements for sensitive client projects. All 3 can be created from templates, signed electronically, and stored in the client's portal for permanent access. For getting every document that you have under your OneSuite portal, go to contracts, and there you can see all the documents. This is the document dashboard basically, and you can start editing a document or doing anything using a document in 3 ways, which is create from template and start from blank and upload a document. Now the template library, if you go to the template, then OneSuite ships with 40 plus professional templates organized by type and industry. As you can see, for marketing agencies there are different templates like influencer marketing proposal, digital marketing proposal, SEO contract templates, and then for design agencies there are web design contract, then consulting, development, architecture, event planning, human resource, legal. So almost for every industries they have some built-in templates which you can use, like you can use this template and edit this template. And if you go to the NDA templates, then you can see the mutual confidentiality agreement and mutual non-disclosure agreement. These are the templates they have. You can use that for your design agency, SEO, consulting, market, or any IT agencies. They have the contract templates, agreement templates, and quotation templates which you can use. And if you can go to the contract section, then you can see that they have social media management contract, web development agreement, freelancer video editing contract. And having a contract while running an agency is a very useful thing that you can have at the very beginning of starting a project, because in most cases we see that just for not having a contract you might gonna lose your payment or anything, and you have no legal rights to fight back for what you deserve, for exactly what you have, or for exactly what you should pay for. So having an agreement is a must, and OneSuite is here helping everyone to get everything on point. You can just use any agreement template that they have. Now for creating a document, you can just go to document and you can create a document, like let's say we want social media management contract. All right, so let's go to use this template. Now you can edit anything you want to from here. You can add your social media manager, service provider, name, business, email, anything. Here you have to understand the thing. This editor is a block-based document editor, not a word processor, but a structured editor that handles party fields, signature blocks, and dynamic content placeholders. Now in this field you can just select the recipients, and if you want this document for any specific recipient, then you can just select it from here. All the clients and all the people will be shown here, so you can just select it. And then if it's for a specific project, then you can select the project from here as well, so that you can find it in an easier way by filtering all this out. And whenever you select a specific proposal and when you save it, it's gonna save under the documents folder for this specific project. Here you can select the category, whether it's a proposal, quote, estimate, NDA, or anything. You can select it from here, and you can change basically anything and everything that you can do while using a doc file. Then you can save it, you can share it, and you can download it as a PDF. And now when you are done editing this document, you just need to click here to the share button. It will take you to this screen where you can see the parties here, the first party and the second party. And you need to understand something, that every document has at least 2 parties, one from the sender and one from the receiver, right? So if you are agency using OneSuite, then you are the first party, and the company or the individual you are working for should be the second party. And you can add as many parties as you want to by just clicking on add new party here. And the most important thing is you can use signature, text block, checkbox, date, and initials inside a document, so that use, like let's say you were the social media manager here and you have a client. So when you have the name, you can just drag and drop the text box from here and then the signature, for signature you can just have it here, and the date is like this. And for the second party you can have the signature box here, text box here, and date here. That's it. The thing is, party fields automatically populate the sender's name and recipient's name from the OneSuite contact records. So if you are sending a proposal to BestInWP or your agency, I'm just using BestInWP agency here, so the party fields automatically show your agency name in the client field. No manual editing required per document. Now you need to understand one thing. When you drag and drop a signature block to any document, when the client clicks sign, they draw or type that signature, the signed date is recorded automatically. And every proposals can include an itemized pricing section that shows deliverables and costs, useful for detailed scopes where clients want to see what they are paying for before the invoice arrives. And you can do that while creating a document. Now when you are done and you want to send this document to your client, you just need to click the send button here, send from. So this is the default feature until you have the white labeling add-on activated. So if you don't have the white labeling activated, then all the emails will be sent from this email, no reply @onesuite.io. and when you have the white labeling activated and the email integration is done properly, then you can select your own email address, your agency email address. And so the first party, you are the first party here, let's say Montasir, and your email address is, and your client is your second party, let's say Sarah and email.com. You can customize the email if you want to, like the subject, the message, you can customize everything from here. Send parties to sign. As you can see, document sent successfully, and you can see here the status, it is sent, and it is a proposal sent on 4th August 2026. You can share it, pin it, download, audit log it. And about the audit log, when you click on the audit log, you can see the history of these documents, like when it was sent, when it was created, and who are actually working on these documents and at what time. So this is very helpful when you are managing a team. And once sent, the client receives an email notification with a link to view the document in their portal, and I will show you that later. Right now I'm showing you that the document is actually here. Right now I'm just showing that I received the document as a client. As you can see, BestInWP shared a document with you. Please review or sign. Hello, you have received. So this is the exact template that you saw. And if we go to view document, see, this is the document with, and only the client part is available for me to sign. This part is not for the client. So the placeholders is not actually available for him. He can only sign here, and when he click to sign, it will take him to this kind of place. Let's say it's Sarah, and she can select the format, available format from here, and when, or she can just draw a signature, or she can just upload a signature file, sign and accept, as you can see, and she can just put her name, and the date field is automatically updated. Let's say complete, document completed successfully. She can then download the document or download the signature certificate. And if we now go to the documents folder here, and if we refresh the page, you can see it's already updated, like this is partially signed. And if we go to the audit log, you can see it was viewed by the client, and it was signed by the client, and then it was viewed again by the client. So you can see the exact complete audit log from here. This is a fascinating feature that OneSuite have, and you mostly gonna miss that on any project management tools, and that's the power of OneSuite. If you go to the document, you can see it's already signed by Sarah. All right. Now, as I said, each document shows its current status. When the client opens the document, status changes from sent to viewed. When they sign, it changed to signed, as you can see in the audit log. So you can see this in real time, useful for following up. Like I can see you have viewed the contract, any questions. Like if you see that she opened the document but didn't sign yet, you can just give your client a follow-up email, so that if they have any doubt, you can just give the solution upfront. Now about storing signed documents, Signed documents are automatically stored in the client's portal under documents. The client can access them anytime without emailing you for a copy. That's the beauty of having the access of every important documents under a project. So they just don't need to give you email or contact you in person back and forth. They all can see, you and your client both from individual's dashboard can see any files or any documents you have. Now beyond OneSuite's built-in templates, you can save your own. This is worth doing after you have refined your standard project proposal once. Save it as a template and every subsequent proposal starts from your preferred structure rather than rebuilding from scratch. And for a WordPress agency's template set, I would recommend creating website build proposal or monthly maintenance retainer contract, SEO audit proposal, and subcontractor NDA if applicable. This is all about the documents section from OneSuite. See you in the next module.